Life is all about making choices. How many of you guys out there have heard that saying? Life is all about making choices. So today's video it's going to be about a choice that I made that pretty much changed the direction of my life. So earlier today, I would say about 2 hours ago, I had a wow moment. It's just something that I never really thought about. So I decided to make a video about it. So this video is going to be about two different topics. The first part, it's going to be about a conversation that me and my brother had last week. And then it's going to lead into how much money I have made in the last 5 years, just strictly doing phone repairs. I'm going to show you guys my account, exactly how much money I've made in the last 5 years. So, story time. Last Wednesday, I went to my brother's house. And the reason why I went over there was I wanted to promote the two new products that I listed on my website, which were the iPhone X and the XS. So I was gonna add them into my AdWords account. So when I was over there, we started talking about, or I brought up the topic about my YouTube account. And I don't think that he seen any, I don't know, I have no idea if he's seen them now. But a week ago, I don't think he's seen any of my videos. So in one of those videos that I made, and this was the video that I uploaded, I think like a week ago, and the video title is "After 18 Different Jobs, I Finally Had My Breakthrough Moment." And I went up to him. Well, I didn't go, he was in the same room. I was like, you know what? That video was because of you. So in that video, you guys know that the moment that I was talking about in that video is because my brother dropped his phone in the toilet. If you guys seen that video. So I told him that, and he says he doesn't remember, my brother. So I was like, why did you go on Craigslist to buy a phone? And he's all, because my phone wasn't working. And I was like, why was your phone not working? And then he says he doesn't remember. And I was like, because you dropped your phone in the toilet. And he didn't remember. First off, it's been years since this happened. So anyways, so he dropped his phone in the toilet, which then led to him meeting a guy named Daryl on Craigslist, which he bought the phone from, which my brother asked him about what he was doing, which he gave my brother some phones to sell. And in that week, I had gotten fired from my job, which I was working there for 4 years, which you guys should know. So my brother at that time, he had called me within that week, and he called me and he said, "Hey, I heard you lost your job." And then I was like, yeah, I got fired. And then he's all, "Do you want to sell some cell phones?" And of course, I was like, no. For whatever reason, the average person, anytime you think of like doing like, or whenever a business idea is like presented to them, the average person always make up an excuse why it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work because of this. It's not gonna work because of that. What entrepreneurs think, they'll make no, it's gonna work because of this. Do you see, guys, the thought process of the average person to an entrepreneur? On this side, it's not gonna work because of these reasons it's not gonna work. And then over here, it's like, these reasons are that it's gonna work. So at that time, I was like, no, it's not gonna work. It's people just have insurance. If their phone breaks or stops working, they'll just use their insurance to go get another phone, because I had insurance on my phone. And then, but anyways, so I was going to Vegas that weekend, I remember. So I was like, you know what? I'll think about it. And so when I was in Vegas, I thought about it. And then I'm like, okay, why not? Let's give it a shot. Okay, so long story short, I had told my brother, I was like, what if that point in time never happened? What do you think I would be doing today? I would have gotten fired. I would have probably just collected unemployment for a little while, and then I would have just got another job. And all of this would have never have happened. But I made the decision to change. And so far, that decision has worked out. So, but yeah, I just wanted to share that story with you guys. Okay, so let's just get into this. I'm gonna show you guys my account. This is gonna be the last 5 years. So let's get into that right now. Okay, so this is easiest for me just to show you on my cell phone. Okay, so you guys have heard of Square. Square right here, this app right here is how I take payments. So I'm gonna go into this app and I'm gonna show you the last 5 years. And the reason why I'm showing you guys this is because this can be done by anybody. So 5 years ago, it's what? It would be January 22nd, 2014. Here we go. Getting closer. Okay. So this actually, for whatever reason, I'm going to show you 1 month earlier because it only lets me go back it only lets me go back so far. So, and that point is December, just 1 month earlier. So I'm going to show you guys 5 years and 1 month. This is how much I made. So we'll hit apply. Boom. $1,005,928. I have repaired 8,000 cell phones. I'm sure there's iPads in there. But yeah, that's what I have made repairing. That doesn't even include cash I've taken. These are credit card sales. And I don't even sell phone cases in here. So, a repair shop that doesn't even sell phone cases. It's just strictly repair in this shop. So why am I showing you guys this? Because you guys can do the exact same thing that I have done. Okay, so I'm back. So what I just showed you, that's not the wow moment that I had 2 hours ago. I'll get into that right now. But I know for the average person in the United States, that's a lot of money to make in 5 years. And I know there are millions of people that make way more money than me. But what I was doing back then, when I compare myself to how I was, that's a freaking freak load of money. So here's the wow factor that I was talking about, the wow moment. So as you guys know, my last job that I had, I was making $10.50 an hour, working full time. That equals $21,840 gross pay for the entire year, working a full-time job, making $10.50 an hour. So compare that to the last 5 years. And over the last 5 years, how I just showed you guys, just a tad bit over $1 million. So if you compare the $21,000 to the $1 million, it would have taken me 46 years to make what I have made in the last 5 years. That's what I've never even thought about. 46 years of work would equal what I have done in the last 5 years. Think about that. I shrunk again. This is what I'm talking about. The wow moment that I just had 2 hours ago. 46 years shrunken down to 5 years. I think if I change things up, I can take 5 years and shrink whatever I made in the last 5 years. I believe I can shrink that down into 1 year. And it all started because of this: broken phones. As you guys know, when I started this business, I was freaking broke as hell. It all started with 2 iPhones. I had no money. I had $15 in my savings account. I didn't even have a savings account. It was in my wallet, $15 in my wallet, with 0 money in my savings account. But I had 2 iPhones. And what I did was I sold them on Craigslist. I took that money that I had made off the 2 iPhones and I bought some more iPhones. And at this time, I had the knowledge of how to fix things. So I bought more iPhones, I fixed them, and then I resold them right back on Craigslist. I fixed, unlocked, and jailbroke them. I sold them, I made about $100 in profit, and I just repeated the process. And at this time, I had to go pay rent on my apartment because I had a roommate back then. My portion of the rent was $1,000, so every month I had $1,000 was being taken from me from rent. And but I kept at it, and it all started from there. It all started from 2 iPhones that I flipped on Craigslist, and I just repeated the process, which led up to how I am today. And it can be done by anybody. So watch my videos. I'll keep putting them out. I want to keep putting out videos sooner, so look out for that, guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the video right there. Just remember, if I can do it, you guys can do it. If somebody that worked in the back of a warehouse can do it, you guys can do it. There was no doubt that you guys can do it. Just listen or just watch what I'm telling you guys. You guys can do it too. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.